I just wanted to make a video to show those that are interested in purchasing these earbuds, some features and things that I like about them. I've used them for about a little over a week now, and I like how they can easily connect to your phone. That's what I use it on, is my phone. And you just have your Bluetooth on, leave this open, and then you'll know it's connected whenever this light here will be like a steady color. And then I love how you can get multiple charges out of the case. You just charge the case and then it charges the earphones. It lasts for several hours. And I also like, because some previous earphones that I've used, the part that went in my ear, after a while it would hurt, but these haven't. And I've used them every single day for over a week now. And I also like that there's no visible buttons, but if while they're connected you double tap the sides of either one, it can either answer your phone call, hang up your phone call, pause whatever you're listening to, play whatever you're listening to. And so I would have to say I've really enjoyed these.
Let's take a look at these wireless earbuds. They come in this charging case. You can see that the case is 86% charged. And these are the earbuds. The left and right earbuds. The charging case can be charged both via the supplied USB cable or wireless charging is also supported via a wireless charging pad. Quality of the earbuds are very good. The charging capabilities are very nice. So these earbuds are highly recommended.